Hello grade 8. Today is the first video in the fourth quarter. In this quarter, inshallah, we're going to have geometry chapter 7 and algebra chapter 10. First, let's start with the first in chapter 7 in geometry, which is similarity. What the meaning of similar? Similar, which is mean same shape, but they are not necessary to be the same size. Okay? If I have these two horses, they are same shape. Both of them are horses, but they are in the same size? No. So they are similar. So similar, we can represent it at this sign. And similar, it's two shapes. Similar, but not in the same size. So if I have two triangles, first one is a small one, and I have the second one, they are dissimilar. From the figure, it's similar. But I have one small and the other is big. So I have a triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2. So I can write it as triangle 1 similar to triangle 2. Okay. These two triangles, I have a triangle 1 and I have a triangle 3. This triangle is the right triangle and this is acute triangle. Both of them are similar? No. So triangle 1 is not similar to triangle 3. So I can write it as triangle 1 similar and cross it. So not similar to triangle 3. I have a properties for the similar polygons. Two polygons are similar if and only if their corresponding angles are congruent. So angles must be congruent and it must be the corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding side lengths are proportional. What do I mean of proportional? If I have a side AB, what is the length of AB? It's 6 centimeters or 6 whatever. And EF, what is the length of EF? 12. So 6 over 12. I can write it as a fraction, 6 over 12. DC, what is the length of DC? 4. And what is the length of HG? 8. So I can write 4 over 8. 4 over 8. Let's write it as a simplest 4. 4 and 8 both on the same table. So divide both of them by 4. So 4 divided by 4 equal 1. And 8 divided by 4 equal 2. So it's equal 1 over 2. And A over B, which is 6 over 12. 6 over 12 also equal 1 over 2. And AD, which is 5. And EF, which is equal 10. So 5 over 10, 1 over 2. BC and E and FG. BC 5.4. FG 10.8. 5.4 over 10.8 is also 1.2. So this all sides are proportional, which is AB over EF equal BC over FG equal CD over GH equal DA over HE, which is equal 1 over 2. And the angles are corresponding, which is must be equal. How I know it's corresponding? I have angle. So how I know it's are equal? Angle A equal 90 degree, angle E 90 degree, so they are equal. I have one sign here, which is angle B. I have one sign here, which is angle F. So angle B equal angle F. Angle C, I have two signs. Angle G, I have two signs. So angle C equal angle G. Angle D, 90 degree. Angle H, 90 degree. So angle A congruent to angle E. Angle B congruent to angle F. Angle C congruent to angle G. And angle D equal to angle H. So all angles are congruent to the corresponding angles and the corresponding side lengths are proportional, which is all of them have the same ratio, which is equal 1 over 2. So I dilate this triangle, which is a big one, by scale factor equal half, or to the opposite, I dilate this triangle, make it into enlargement by how many? It's 2, which is a multiply by 2. Description: a similar polygon. Describing: identify the parts or the pairs of a congruent angle and congruent sides. Angle Z congruent to angle R. Angle Y congruent to angle Q. So the third angle must be equal. It's according to the third angle theorem, which is we take it before in the first quarter, which is if I have two angles in one triangle equal two angles in the other triangle, so the third angle must be equal. So angle X equal angle congruent to angle C by the third angle theorem. Remember third angle theorem. When I have two angles of one triangle equal to the two angles of another triangle, so the third angle must be equal. So let's find the proportional sides. Our corresponding side, they are proportional. X pi, which is how many? 6. And what are the proportional side? SQ. How many? It's 9. So 6 over 9. 6 and 9 both in the same table? Yes, table 3. So divide both of them by 3, which is equal to over 3. YZ over QR. YZ equal 12 and QR equal 18. Both in the same table? Yes, table 6. So divide both of them by 6. So 12 divided by 6 equal 2 and 18 divided by 6 equal 3. And XZ over XZ over SR. So XZ equal 9 and SR equal 13. I can divide both of them also. So in the simplest form, it's going to be 2 over 3. So a corresponding sides, or a side of the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. So the two triangles are similar. Identify the pairs of the congruent angle and corresponding sides. I have a triangle ABC and triangle HGJ. So first angle, which is A, it must equal to angle J. Angle B is 90 degrees, so it's equal to angle G. And angle C, which is 59 degrees, so it's equal angle angle H, which is also 59 degrees. Let's find the side lengths, whether they are proportional or not. First side, which is AB, equal how many? 10. So 10. And the corresponding side, which is GJ, equal how many? 5. So 10 over 5 equal 2. Second corresponding side, BC and GH or HG. So BC equal 6 and HG equal 3. So 6 divided by 3 equal 2. The third one, which is AC. AC corresponding to GH. 11.6 divided by 5.8. It's also equal to, which is, write the answers, which is AB over DJ equal BC over DH equal AC over JH, which is equal how many? 2. So the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional, which is all of them are equal to. It's also how you can find the similarity ratio, which is just talking about. Okay. Identify the similar polygons. If I have a polygons, not triangles, any polygon, any shape I can find if they are similar or not. Determine where the polygons are similar. If so, write the similarity ratio and similarity statement. Okay. A, I have a rectangle PQRS and TUVW. We need to identify the corresponding side angles first, okay, which is angle P and angle T. This is the first corresponding angles. They are equal. This is the rectangle and this is the rectangle, so the whole angles are 90 degrees. So corresponding angles must be equal. So angle P equal to angle T, congruent. Second angle, angle Q and angle U, so they are congruent or corresponding. Third angle, angle R and angle V, so they are congruent. Fourth one, S and W, so angle P congruent to angle T and angle Q congruent to angle U and angle R congruent to angle V and angle S congruent to angle W. So all the angles are right angles, so all the angles are congruent. Let's find the corresponding sides. First side I have is PQ. Let's read this. First side is PQ and the first one TU. So PQ, what is the length of PQ? It's 12. And what is the side of the length of the TU? It's 16. So 12 and 16 both in the same table, simplest form, it's equal 3 over 4. Second one, PS. PS, what is the corresponding? TW. So PS equal how many? 4. TW equal 6. So 4 over 6, and also in the simplest form, equal 2 over 3. So these two ratios, they are the same, they are proportional, they are the same. No. Nils, do I know any? Do I need to find the other side? No, because it's a rectangle. So QR it's also 4 and UV it's also 6. So I don't need to write it. So if I have an angle, they are corresponding, and the side lengths, they are not proportional, so the two triangles are not similar, or two polygons are not similar. So simple, the rectangles are not similar. So this means I have two conditions to say this polygon are similar. First one, corresponding angles are congruent. Second one, the side lengths, corresponding side lengths must be proportional. Right, let's solve B. B, if I have a triangle ABC and a triangle DEF. So first I need to identify the corresponding angles. So angle A, is it equal to angle D? Yes. Angle B, is it equal to angle E? Yes. And by using third angle theorem, so angle C equal to angle F. So angle A congruent to angle D, angle B congruent to angle F, and third angle theorem, so angle C congruent to angle F. Second, I need to find the side lengths of the corresponding parts. First side, which is AB, it is equal 20, and DE, which is equal 15. So 20 over 15, 20 over 15, both in the same table, which is table 5, but up and down by 5. So 20 divided by 5 equal 4, and 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Second side, which is BC, and the second one is EF. So 24 over 18. Both in the same table also. The simplest form are going to be 4 over 3. Third side, AC and DF. AC equal how many? 16. DF equal how many? 12. So 16 over 12. Also the simplest form equal 4 over 3. So a side length, a corresponding side length, they are proportional? Yes. Three corresponding side lengths equal 4 over 3. So they are proportional. So this means I have three angles are congruent and the three side lengths are proportional. So the two triangles are congruent. So so two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. And he needs you to write the similar ratio. So what is the similar ratio or similarity ratio? It's equal 4 over 3. Okay, there's one, second one. You can solve it by yourself. It's not solve it. Okay. And here you're going to have a homework, which is page 469, exercise 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, it's your homework, and I'm going to check it. I'm going to write for you the due date, and see you next video, inshallah. Bye.